You're welcome to Remit Trade Academy. I'm very excited to come back again to you guys, and I'm also very sorry, my sincere apology. And I also appreciate those that reach out to me. I'm trying to find out what the issue is about not uploading video on the channel anymore. But right now, guys, I'm back to the game. So today Bitcoin price is at 27.2k, and we are seeing the market coming back to the downside. If you look at this area, although if you look at this very point here, we have a bearish divergence on the charts, and a bearish divergence, if you look at this very point, in this point, and also on the MACD indicator to the downside here, you see that the market is moving to the downside, and it's as a result of this bearish divergence. A bearish divergence in an uptrend is a bearish pattern. That means the market is going to come back to the downside. So what I am looking at right now is a breakout of this very zone of support. If you look at market go up a little bit as a result of the CPI data that we have, the market just move up a little bit, and then we are seeing this movement to the downside. If you look at the MACD, we are seeing an increase in the MACD histogram to the downside, which the red bars around this area, and market is coming down. So what you need to pay attention to right now as I'm talking is this very area of support. A breakout here will further make the market come back right down. So pay attention to the market breaking out on this very area of support right now as we speak. And you also have to pay attention to the MACD histogram to the downside. An increase in the momentum on the MACD histogram right here will further send the market back down. And also pay attention to the dilation between the MACD line and the signal line. So this is very important. The divergences we see on 1-hour charts and 4-hour charts are not very strong compared to the one we see on the higher time frame, just like we are seeing this one on the 1-day chart at this very area. That means we will further see the market come back right down to this very level of support. But on the immediate short term, expect this very breakout right here on the support on the 1-day chart. And on the 4-hour chart here, you see the market move up a little bit as a result of this very spike on the chart at this very area. And what I'm expecting right now is a further movement to the downside to this very level of support, this very line here. Expect this market to come back down to this very level before we see a little bit of push to the upside, and a breakout on this very area of support right here will move the market back to the downside. And I'm going to talk about this in my next video, so also check out that video when it comes out in the next coming days. So this is what I am expecting on the 4-hour chart. Market should come down, as we're seeing the market coming down right now into this level of support. And on ETH USDT 4-hour chart, the same thing. Market should come into this zone of support. As we see a little bit of consolidation right here, I'm expecting the market to move down into this level of support before a little push to the upside, then continuation to the downside. So this is what you need to pay attention to. The one thing you have to understand is right now we are seeing BTC moving down more aggressively compared to ETH. The reason is because at the moment it is better, or it is good for you to hold ETH compared to Bitcoin. The reason is because on the BTC ETH chart, if you look at this, if we have ETH BTC chart, if you look at this chart right here, it is covered that Bitcoin is coming down. That means ETH is moving to the upside. Okay, so if you compare that to ETH USDT, ETH USDT should have a sluggish movement to the downside, while BTC USD should have more massive movement to the downside. What that implies is that if you want to trade ETH and BTC on futures, it would be nice for you to short BTC USDT perpetual futures contract instead of shorting ETH USDT perpetual futures contract, because this one BTC USDT is going to move more aggressively to the downside compared to ETH USDT. I believe you understand that very simple analogy. So thank you very much for watching today's video, and I will see you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, hit the like button, and don't forget to turn on the bell notification so that you receive more updates like this anytime I upload a new video. Thank you very much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.